Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Victory 365 Days. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the key of English part from the exam of Odisha Revenue Inspector 2021. So let us start with this. First one, although the man was accused of murder by the police, he was acquitted from the charges in the court. So this is the answer of and quote. Now they agree. Whenever proposal it comes, you use it to. Okay, so agree to his proposal in the meeting, but I did not agree dash them. So them, the person is it himself is there. So with person we use with, and proposal we use to. Now third one, all of the teachers congratulated me. Whenever me success you use on my success, but I never boast of me. So boast after of is the right answer. The old man was very fond of her daughter, who was deprived from her property after father's death. So of and for. Now fifth one, the woman was suffering with cancer, but the doctor cured her from it. Now moving on to this is the 5 set of questions using phrasal verbs. Now these all are correct spellings you have to use, and all is a dash bird whose species are almost extinct. So this is the spellings you have to check. So see, death of Sushant Singh Rajput was caused not only a dash in Indian film, but also much dash for the investigating police team. So vacuum and embarrassment. So you have to use the correct spellings. Vacuum, VACUUM is the right. So B is the right answer. Now eighth one, during winter a large number of dash birds, both continuous from Siberia to Chilka Lake, so migrated. So migratory. So here you use eighth one, migratory and exotic. This is the right answer. Ninth one, the clerk dealing with dash works miscellaneous. Miscellaneous spelling you have to use correctly. That is D is the right answer. 10th one, frequent power failures in the examination center caused much dash inconvenience. Inconvenience correct spelling you have to use. That is B is the right answer. So these all the 10 questions spellings. Now we have read the following sentence, change the voice from. The teacher made him stand up in the class. Made him. So here him is object. So you start he, then made. Made is V2 form. So whenever V2 form you use was or were. So here he was made stand up by the teacher in the class. He was made to stand up by the teacher in the class. So which one you have to see? Either B or C is the correct option. He was made stand up by the teacher in the class. He was made stand up. B is the right answer. Now I saw the monkeys climbing the tree. I saw the monkeys. So climbing is just gerund. So I saw is V2 form given here. V2. So whenever past tense you monkeys plural, so saw V2. So monkeys were seen. So the monkeys were seen climbing the tree. So 12th one, A is the answer. Next 13th one, the poor should be helped. So one should help the poor. This is simple imperative sentence. It was proposed to hold a meeting. So it was proposed. So was proposed V2 form. So they proposed to hold a meeting. They proposed to hold a meeting. So hold B is the right answer. Next, 15th one. The prizes were given away. Were given away. Were given away. It is indicating past tense. So given away by the chief guest. So chief guest gave away. So here gave away. The chief guest gave away. The prizes were given away by the chief guest. The chief guest gave away the prizes. So next, indirect speech. So Rama said to me, you will be rewarded. Here you is nothing but Rama only. So I. So Rama said to changes into told. Rama told me that I will change into past tense. I would be rewarded. Next step, he said to me, are you well? So are you, here it is interrogative form. So whenever interrogative form used asked, he asked me, are helping verbs, start with helping verbs, so use if or whether. So he asked me if I was well, D. Next, my friend said to me, let us go there tomorrow. So let us, whenever let us, this suggestions comes, we use we. So here my friend proposed that we should go there by tomorrow changes into the next day. So A is the right answer. Next, he said how beautiful the rose is. So he said how beautiful, this symbol exclamatory indicates the expression. So he exclaimed, you have to write, he exclaimed that, he said is there. So the rose, he exclaimed that the rose was very beautiful. Whenever how comes, we use very to stress more. So B is the right answer. Next, 21. The teacher said honesty is the best policy. So honesty is the best policy is the truth, fact. So no change in tense form. The teacher said that honesty is the best policy. B. Don't write was, because it is natural thing, it is a common phenomenon, no change. My uncle. Now next we have to get through the sentences and find out the grammatical correction. One should keep one's promise. This is proverbs, generally we should remember. So D is the right answer. Next, no sooner. When a structure of no sooner plus had plus subject. So here you see, then last than. This is the structure of no sooner. No sooner had I felt home, then it began to rain. So A is, as per the structure, A is the right answer. Now, my father helped me to clean the room. My father helped me to clean the room. My father helped me cleaning the room. My father helped me to clean the room. My father helped me cleaning the room. Almost both are same. So my father helped me cleaning the room. So A appropriate. So go for A. He asked me, why have you come here? So asked, past tense. So past tense there. So you use, he asked me why I had come here. So this one you have to use because it's a past tense. Now I enjoy to play the piano. I enjoy play the piano. I enjoy playing the piano. I enjoy play the piano. I enjoy play the piano. I enjoy playing the piano. So this is the appropriate one. So these all are 25 question and answers. 26th one. The function came to a close at 10:30. So here A determiner given. So close must be noun. And at past means crossed. So it is definitely verb. So noun and verb is the right option. Okay. Next, he is the first. Here the determiner again. So first can be adjective man. to sit on a fast. Fast means having not eating anything. So that is what. So it's an adjective as well as, and at the last fast is a noun. Next, Jack and Jill went. Jack and Jill went, qualifying verb up. So this up, it is an adverb, and looked up. Where did they look? They look at up. So C is the right answer. Now 29th one. So instructions, what? Read the sentence and substitute the underlined verbs. So as soon as the teacher entered, entered means past tense. All the lights were extinguished. As soon as the teacher entered, entered means got into. The lights were extinguished means put out. I could not tolerate. Tolerate means put up with. Humiliation as the president of Students' Union was rejected by the principal. So put up with, turned down. Thieves forcibly entered. Forcibly entered means got down, broke down. So broke down our houses last night and escaped. So here broke down, broke into. So forcibly entered means broke into and got away with. Now read the sentences and fill in the blanks. Not only the boy but also his parents responsible for the lack of supervision, as a result of which 2/3 of the work dash done in a day. 2/3 of the thirds, here 2/3 plural, boy, parents, both are plural, so this is the right answer, work. The old man as well as his sons, as well as his sons. So here as well as old man and sons plural, dash at fault for this tragic incident for of the people. People also plural. So here also we use are. People have gathered. Next, I is a singular one, so his friend must look to his interest. So this is continuation present tense, so it is easy. Next, all that glitters, all that symbols plural are not gold. This is a well-known proverb. Next, slow and steady, so it is indicating about one person. So slow and steady wins the race, because haste makes waste. 37. Meera is the best girl in the class. Best girl, superlative. Now change into comparative. Meera is better than any other girl in the class. He is too weak to walk. Too weak, adverb and verb. So he is so weak, and he is given, so use present tense. He is so weak that he cannot walk. He is so weak that he cannot walk. A barking dog seldom bites. A dog, complex tense, you have to change. A dog that barks seldom bites. He does not like fish, he does not like meat. So here two likes are there, same verb. So you start with he likes, does present tense. So he likes neither fish nor meat. Now 41. The boy is very industrious. So change into exclamatory. What an industrious boy he is. The police restored to firing to disperse the violent mob. Mob means people. So the police restored to firing to punish. Dash the rod and dash the child. This is a very well known phrase or proverb. Spare the rod, spoil the child. His father is a teacher, his mother is a teacher. So his father, mother, both are teachers. So both his father and mother are teachers. The word carnivorous means animal eating meat. 45th one, dash earth. Earth is what it is proper. So the earth revolves around the sun. The earth revolved around the sun. Dash bird is so any bird we are talking, a bird in hand is worth two in a bush. Dasaratha dash king of Ayodhya. Dasaratha, the king of Ayodhya, was a humble king. Particular, the here we are discussing about particular, so title, so that's why we use the. Next, dash honest man, dash aw sound is coming, aw sound. So an honest man is again a sound, vowel sound, so we use an. C is the right answer. Kalidas dash great Sanskrit poet is dash. Kalidas, here don't use the great Sanskrit poet, here use only a. Kalidas, a great Sanskrit poet, is here. This is the title. Whenever the title comes, we use the. So a and the is the right option. So here a and the, D is the right option. So viewers, this is what about Revenue Inspector Odisha exam 2021 English part key. I hope you like this video. Please share this information with others and do subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.